Today's short focuses on what is happening to mortgage interest rates in the UK. Well, with the Bank of England deciding to raise their own monetary policy interest rates, the cost, the expense of taking out and servicing the interest on a home loan is climbing quite sharply higher at the moment. And clearly this is going to hit many, perhaps millions of homeowners hard in the months ahead. Most new home loans in the UK, most mortgages over the last 10 years, have been in the form of a fixed rate. Now that's when a property buyer takes out a mortgage loan, but the interest rate on the loan is fixed for a period, perhaps 2 years or even longer. And after that period, the interest rate comes up for readjustment. Now we can see here from this chart that the cost of taking out a mortgage is moving quite sharply higher. The LTV stands for loan to value ratio. 60% LTV means the lender, the building society or the bank, is prepared to lend you 60% of the purchase price. You have to find the rest. But getting a mortgage is becoming more expensive. And that's going to have a significant effect on the economy, on the UK going into 2023. It'll be harder for first-time buyers to afford a home loan because the cost of servicing the debt will increase. And those who already have a mortgage, they'll see the effective disposable income, if you like, their discretionary spending power go down, especially when those on a fixed rate suddenly find that their rate has to be adjusted upwards. Potentially for the lenders, there are higher profits if they charge more for mortgage loans. But as we saw in the global financial crisis of 2007 and onwards, there's also risks from an increase in mortgage loan defaults, people failing to pay back their mortgage in the market. And I think generally you would expect to see a slowdown in house price inflation, even with the announced cuts by the government in stamp duty. And, the question is asked, well, how much further does this house price boom have to go? Are we on the turning point of a house price cycle here? You can see what's happened to average prices in the UK for different types of house, with the average now climbing, well, perhaps towards and above £300,000. So keep an eye out for the mortgage market. It's a key interest rate in the economy, which has quite big macroeconomic consequences. Thank you.